This conference will now be recorded.
Hi team, this is Tech Institution. In this video, what we gonna discuss? In the sense, we gonna discuss one real-time thing, which is GitHub pipeline to set up a one infra in Azure. That is what we gonna do. So for that, I just pick a Terraform code. Okay, so I'll just pick a Terraform as a mediator. So I'm going to set up on infra using the Terraform. Okay, so fine. Let's go to the practical part. So first, I'll just create one repo. Here you can see repo option is there. Let's go inside. Yeah, here are now a lot of repos there. I'll just create a new one. Let's create it like Azure resource, Azure infra, or okay, fine. Azure resource is a resource. Okay, so fine. And then I'm going to expose this into public. So why I'm exposing this public in the sense you guys can access it. So for that, now let's create it. Yeah. Okay, so fine. Now we can upload our local file, but I doesn't have any handy file, so I'll just pick the file from my existing repo. I think I didn't remember the bucket name. Mm, let's check. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I'll just copy this raw code. We can directly create a new file. Let's go instead of our resource. Yeah, this is what our file repo, right? Let's create a new file. So in this file, this is what our actual Terraform code. You can use any Terraform code that's your wish. So our main goal is it will create one resource group for us. If I execute this code, it will create one resource group for us. So fine, let's define a name for that. Main dot tf you need to mention. Let's save it. Yeah. So we successfully created. So now we have to install the plugins. Okay, so generally, what is the plugins? If you want to access any third-party things or something like that, in the sense we have to use one mediator. So that mediator, that plugin we have to install. Okay, so GitHub is the different version control system. So here we need to access the uh, Terraform. In the sense we have to install the Terraform plugin here. So let's see. Here you can see a lot of workflows there. Just search it like Terraform. It will redirect the Terraform plugin. Yeah. So here you can see this is what Terraform workflow. So let's configure it. Okay. So here you can see this is what our actual pipeline script. Okay. So here you can see it's little bit complex. So now what I'm going to do. Oh, just a minute. Okay, so fine. Here you can see this is what our actual code. Okay. Oh, already this got run. Okay, okay, fine. Let's go to source. Let's open our workflow. Here you can see as usual our Terraform platform. So all those things configured, but I'm not going to use this code. I already have a pipeline script, so that I'll just pick that existing pipeline. Don't worry about that. I'll explain that. Mm, let's open. I think this one. Yeah, this one. Let's click it and let's paste the thing into our new pipeline. New pipeline script. Workflow, Terraform YAML, and edit it, then paste it. Okay. Let's see. is fine, everything is okay. Let's commit it. Okay, so we successfully defined the Terraform file and then pipelines also. So I'll explain the pipeline. Uh, oh, sorry guys. Actually, now I paste the same thing. Please wait. Let's copy the pipeline script. Um, where is the pipeline? Oh, sorry. Here is the. Let's copy. Yeah. So this is the actual pipeline code. Let's save it. Okay, so just look this pipeline. Here I did nothing. Okay, so here in this environment part, I just defined the credentials: client ID, client secret, subscription ID, tenant ID. These four properties only I given here. And then in this run property, I just defined four part. Okay, so one is ls means nothing. You guys know that, right? Just it's just for now listing the files, and then Terraform init to initialize the files. So to initialize the credentials and uh, Terraform files too, and Terraform plan. You guys know to get a previous output before the implementation, and then Terraform apply. Okay, so to resource setup. Okay, so then auto approve plan. So here we can see generally if we put Terraform apply in the sense locally in the sense that apply command will work, but here I used auto approve TF plan. Okay, so auto approve TF plan in the sense, um, if you guys are executing Terraform apply in the sense on the time you guys have to acknowledge it. You guys have to put yes message. You need to put in that time, right? If you define like this in the sense you don't want to put at the time of execution. Okay, it's a non-interactive mode. So for non-interactive mode, I just write this code. Yeah, fine. Here you can see four property: client ID, client secret, subscription ID, tenant ID. Like that, four properties is there. And then here you can see secrets. What is that secret? In the sense, which is nothing to store a confidential information into one place. In the sense, we can use the secrets. Okay, so I'll tell you where is the secret. Let's open the settings. If you scroll it, in the sense here you can see bottom right side left side bottom you can see secrets and variables. Let's go into of actions. Here as of now no secret is there. We have to create it. Okay, so let's create a secrets. So I'll just copy these things. Okay. So first I'll just create a secret ID. Sorry, yeah. Let's copy the client ID and then create a new secret for that. Just open the secret, put your name, and then client ID you need to paste here. Okay, so where you can find actually no, I'm not going to use this account. Actually, no, I have one account, so that I'll just pick this one. Actually, no, in this account, I know recently I faced some billing issue. So for that, in this today's part, I'm not going to create any bulk of resources. Okay, so for that, now I'm going to execute simply one resource group. That is what our aim. So let's see. Mm, yeah, let's open the client ID. Oh, sorry. So to fetch the client ID, we have to go instead of directory. Directory itself you can find. Let's scroll it. If you see that our apps registration, since a lot of apps registration will come. Yeah, I already have an Ansible directory. Sorry, Ansible app. So I'll just pick it. Here you can see this is what actual client ID. So I'll just copy it. Let's paste it. Okay, so this four property is mandatory. Okay, so whatever the thing you're gonna execute in the Terraform, this four property you need to mention in your script. After that only that respective infra will configure into your Azure account. So fine, let's copy the RM client secret. We successfully created one client ID. Let's create a next part. So where you can create a client secret, in the sense here you can see certification secret option is there, right? I already created the one secret, so I'll just delete that. Let's create a new client. See, I'm not going to put any charge for this. Just a data. So I just copy the client secret. And then the secret name I need to mention. Secret name is here client secret. I need to use the same name. If I missed any character or something in this secret, in the sense, um, that respective action will not happen. Okay, so your Git application couldn't find the credentials from secret. Fine, we successfully defined the client ID and client secret. Then what we need to configure? Tenant ID. Okay, tenant ID, which is nothing, it's your directory ID. So let's copy it and let's create one more thing. Yeah, tenant ID. ARM underscore tenant ID. That name I used. I just click that. Create that. Okay. After that, finally, I'm gonna define one more thing, which is subscription ID. I'm gonna specify. Okay. Subscription ID. I'm gonna specify. Yeah, I already have a one subscription, so I'll just copy that one. Yeah, this one. Let's copy it and paste it. Subscription ID. Okay. So here you can see we successfully defined these four property. Let's see in action. Okay. So updated got failed. So let's execute the thing again. Rerun all jobs. Let's execute it. Just before we updated the credentials, right? So that we can check it again. I think this will take some time. I think. Okay, yeah, it's updating. Let's see. Yeah, it's checking the Azure credential. Um, yeah, actually, no, it's throwing the error. Oh, where it is throwing the error. Um, actually, no, in this TF plan. Okay, actually, no, there is no error in Azure plan command. Actually, no, we got the error in TF plan. Sorry, apply command. Let's check. Okay, so your resource with ID subscription example already exists. To be managed this. Oh, okay. So let's check that. I think that one already created. Oh, already one example group is there. So I'll just delete that. Let's define the script again. And then one more thing, in Azure you can't create the same name of resources multiple times. So we'll check. Okay, so I think this will take some time to delete. So once this deletion got happened, we can execute our pipe. Let's see. Still our pipeline is executing. Sorry, still have our deletion. we can wait. Actually, no. Generally, it will take around 1 minute or 30 seconds maximum. So that we can wait for 1 or 30 seconds, 30 minutes. So sorry, 30 seconds. Um, okay. So meanwhile, let's discuss that. Cool. Generally, we should have a platform, right? Generally, we should have a platform. After that only, we can execute the Terraform, whatever the application, right? So here, which platform I choose in the sense Ubuntu. Ubuntu latest I have chosen. Okay, so generally Ubuntu latest is the recommended one. Recommended one, so that you can pick it. Okay, so if you guys felt like if it is in a CentOS in the sense that's much better to me, like that in the sense you can use CentOS also. Okay, so generally now Ubuntu is more convenient to me, so that here I use the Ubuntu latest. Yeah, the resource group got created. Let's see. Okay, so here there is no resource group. Let's execute our pipeline. Um, Go to workflow, view runs. Let's update it. Rerun all jobs. Okay, so it's starting a job. GitHub action one poster. Okay, so basic things got configured and then checkout. Checkout means that respective data shifted into one place. Yeah, here the configuration got succeeded. Plan got created. Got completed. Oh, okay. That resource also got added. Here you can see that resource also got added. If you see it in the Azure credentials part, in a sense, you can see the output. Yeah, Terraform creation completed in that resource group, which is example. So let's check. Actually, no, console will take some time for reflection. Let's see. Let's refresh it. Yeah, here you can see our resource got successfully created. Okay, so the main thing is you guys have to configure the credentials. That is the main thing. Okay, so you guys have to configure the credentials is main thing. Credentials in secrets. After that, you can use the secrets in your Terraform, sorry, your pipeline script. Okay, so generally, if you are executing this pipeline in the sense, you have to focus on these two areas only. Otherwise, you don't worry about the Terraform file. You don't want to change anything in the Terraform file. Okay, based on your requirement, you can set up a code. Only thing is, you guys have to focus on this credential. Okay, so initially now I'm also facing a lot of issues with the client secret, subscription ID, those things. So focus on these areas, then you can uh, set up a pipeline. Okay, I think this video is useful to you, I believe. Fine, guys. Next video, we're gonna set up same kind of pipeline. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.